and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Angela, and if you're not, it's so good to have you back. I thought I wanted to share my travel essentials in today's video. These are truly the must-haves that I have to bring on every single trip, and I hope this video can be helpful for you if you're planning your next trip. So grab yourself a snack, a drink, and let's jump right into the video. I'm very excited to announce that I'm working with Bagsmart in today's video, who I have been shopping from for a couple of years now. But if you've never heard of Bagsmart before, they are the ultimate budget-friendly travel brand, and they specialize in travel bags, in travel accessories, and I do have some new items from Bagsmart that I will be sharing later on in this video. Now, the first travel essential that probably everyone brings on every single trip, at least all the ladies, is a handbag. And you guys know we love handbags on this channel, and choosing the perfect handbag for travel can be quite challenging because ideally you would only want to bring one handbag that covers every single occasion. And my current favorite travel bag is my Celine Boston bag in the medium size. Now, my last video was a full in-depth review on this bag, so I won't be sharing too many details about this bag. Now, why I love this bag and why I specifically chose this bag for travel and everyday is because of its versatility. And you can wear this bag in all the different ways. You can wear it as a top handle bag, and this bag also comes with an adjustable and removable strap. So you can wear it on the shoulder and crossbody, but you can also take the strap off and just hold it like this, or have the handles down and kind of almost wear it as a clutch if you're going out for dinner. And I will put the measurements of this bag on screen, but this bag fits a lot. And that is also something that is really important when it comes to a travel handbag, because you want to make sure that you don't only carry your essentials, but probably more things that you typically wouldn't, because when you're traveling, you're going out about all day, and that's why it's the perfect travel bag. It's also made out of coated canvas and treated leather. And of course, the last thing, and probably the most important thing, is the security. And this bag has a zipper, and I will always recommend a bag with a zipper when you're traveling. But I also love that it's a double zipper, so if you're wearing it crossbody, you can actually put it to the front, and that is the most secure way to wear the bag. The next travel essential on this list is, of course, luggage, and choosing the right luggage is so important when you're traveling. Now, I have tried and owned many different luggage brands, and my current favorite is the Getaway Luggage Set by Bagsmart. Now, this comes in a set with the 20-inch carry-on luggage and also the 26-inch check-in luggage. I personally chose the color Shadow, and it is this beautiful gray toned luggage, which I think is perfect for any gender. And this luggage set is truly incredible because it has so many pro features for a very affordable price. One of my favorite things about the 26-inch check-in luggage is that it fits up to 78 liters, but it is also expendable and fits up to 89 liters. So if you are an overpacker, or if you are going on a long trip, it is so nice to have that option to expand your luggage and fit more things into your check-in. And another feature on this luggage, which is probably the coolest, is the weighing handle. So this is a built-in smart indicator. So when you lift your luggage by the handle, it will give you a partial red color, and that means the weight is until 20 kilograms. And when the indicator is a full red color, that means that its limit is at 23 kilograms, which is the average maximum weight on most of the airlines. And the Getaway one already comes with a TSA lock, and I really like the organization on the inside. It has a separate wet compartment to separate your wet clothes or your swimsuit, and it also has a compression board, which always comes in handy. And even when the luggage is all the way full, it is still so so smooth to push around because of the 360 degrees wheels, which is so important when you travel because the last thing you want is to struggle carrying or pushing your luggage around when the wheels are not smooth. Now, if you're going for a short trip or you're the type of person that loves to travel with only a carry-on, I highly recommend the Getaway 20-inch carry-on. And this carry-on fits up to 40 liters when it's in its compact size, and it is also expandable like the check-in, and it fits up to 48 liters when it's expanded. The carry-on also has great organization. It has a wet separation pouch and a mesh pouch, and it also has the compression straps. And so far, I've loved traveling with this luggage set. It has so many great features, but again, I think that the wheels on this luggage set is a 10 out of 10, and in my opinion, key when it comes to travel, because the luggage can have so many great features. If it doesn't roll smooth, it's just a big no. And this luggage set, for the price and for all the features that you get, is such a great deal. And they will have a special promo running from November 14th to December 15th. And if you decide to purchase the Getaway luggage set, you will get 20% off and a free set of packing cubes. And of course, I also have a discount code for you guys if you're interested. And as always, I have everything linked in the description box as well as the pinned comment down below. Speaking of packing cubes, these are my next travel essentials on this list. And packing cubes, I just don't even know what I did before I had them because they have truly changed my life. Now, the ones that I prefer are compression packing cubes. Now, I have these ones from Bagsmart. These are the old ones, and I've had these for, I think, 4-5 years now, and I've used these on every single trip. And I love them so much. I still use them, but I recently got the Blast packing cubes from Bagsmart, and this is a new set with different colors. So you can choose one of the colors for the entire set or have it mixed, and I chose the mixed one. Now it comes with 2 of the smaller packing cubes, and the Bagsmart packing cubes are literally the best packing cubes that I've ever tried. The old set that I just showed you, there is no wear and tear on that one, and the zippers are such good quality, and I use them a lot. Now the small one is just an open compartment that you can use for either underwear or smaller items like tank tops, and then you have 2 of the medium size, and these are perfect for your everyday clothes. So this can fit sweaters, this can fit your pants, any tops, any skirts. Now the biggest one is this teal color. This one I usually use if I'm bringing jackets or super chunky sweaters and knitwear. And last but not least is this pink one, and it has a drawstring, and you can use this for anything. You can put your shoes in here, your boots. It is quite spacious, and if you've never used compression cubes before, it's very easy. You just put your clothes in, you zip it up, and then there's an extra zipper that you zip all the way up, and it will compress out all the air on the inside, and you will be left with a thinner packing cube. Now I have used both, and they're both incredible. I think because this is the newer set that I have, I'm a little bit more excited about this one. But if you're traveling soon and you don't have any compression packing cubes, I highly recommend these from Bagsmart.
The biggest reason why I really recommend compression packing cubes is because they keep everything very organized and prevent clothes from wrinkling, while still compressing everything down to save space. The smaller cubes are perfect for my slim basics, tank tops, lightweight tees, and all my undergarments. They keep everything neat and easy to grab without having pieces floating around in your suitcase. The medium packing cubes I use for my everyday tops and pants. These are the items I reach out for most often, so having them in one place makes getting dressed on vacation just feel as seamless as at home. The larger cubes are for my bulkier items, jackets, cozy knits, or anything with a little more volume. They compress down, so even the chunky sweaters stay compact and wrinkle-free. Packing this way doesn't just look aesthetic, it genuinely makes traveling more luxurious, organized, and stress-free.
The next travel essential on this list is my favorite personal item bag, and it is the Longchamp Le Pliage in the large size. And as you can see, it's all folded up, and this is how small it is. So that's why I think it's great for travel. And this is what it looks like when it's all expanded. And I just love this beautiful, rich, dark brown chocolate color. And this is from the green line, so it does have little green details. Now it of course has a zipper because we do not travel without zippers on our bags. And it's a big open compartment with one huge slip pocket. I think the medium size actually has 2 slip pockets, but this is truly the best travel bag, especially as a personal item because it is so lightweight. It fits so much. And for travel, I do recommend getting it in a darker color. I also do have lighter colors from the Le Pliage collection in different sizes, but for the larger one, I always opt for darker colors because if there's any stains or any wear or tear, it won't be as noticeable. And this is definitely a travel essential that I will never travel without. The next travel essential is a travel outfit, and I mean specifically for the airport. When you're on your flight, you want to always wear something that's comfortable and that you don't feel restricted in, and my pick is Lululemon. I think the Align set is one of my favorite travel airport outfit sets that I always wear on every single flight. I still feel put together in these sets, but at the same time, they're also very comfortable. And this set is my current favorite. This is the new color in Lululemon. It is called Sequoia, and it's this beautiful chocolate brown color. Now, instead of wearing a regular bra, I do love wearing a sports bra on the plane because it's so comfortable and it just feels like you're not really wearing a bra. So this one is from Lululemon and it has the cute Lululemon logo in the back. And this one does come with removable cups, but because we're not wearing a bra under this, I do always keep the cups inside, and it does give that support while still being very comfortable. Now, next up are the famous Align leggings, and I have this one in the ultra high waist because I do have a long torso, and usually I prefer something that's super high waist because I do tend to get very chilly on the plane. Now, my top of choice is the Align Define jacket from Lululemon, and I love this jacket so much. I did get it in the regular size, so it's not the cropped version, it is the longer version. And again, because I have a longer torso and I like to protect my belly area more from getting cold, I do really love this one. Again, this beautiful dark chocolate brown color is so perfect because it's not black, but it's still dark enough that if I will spill anything on it, you can't really see it. And another thing that I love about these is that they have the thumb holes and the sleeves actually close all the way up. So it's kind of like a mitten, a built-in mitten. And I love that because again, I get cold on the plane. So this will definitely keep your hands warm. It does have pockets on the side and it has the emergency hair tie. The next travel essential are sneakers, and these are specifically for on the plane. So these are my favorite airport shoes, and they're the Salomon XA Pro 3D, and these are so comfortable. I think these are the most comfortable pair of sneakers that I own in my collection. The inside of the sole literally says Ortholite, so I don't know if these are orthopedic shoes. They have have great arch support. They're just ergonomically perfect as a travel shoe. And one of the features that I love about this shoe is that you don't have to do the laces, but you just have this tab pull, and then you can leave it like this, or you can actually tuck it in the back so you won't see it. And this has been a game changer because on the plane, I actually love to take off my shoes, but then if I have to go to the restroom, I obviously have to put them on again. And if you're wearing sneakers with laces, that is such a hassle. And with these, you don't have to do that. So that is what makes this pair the perfect travel shoe. Now, last but not least is this travel water bottle from Hydro Flask in, of course, this beautiful chocolate brown color. And this is actually a 24-ounce water bottle. So it is the perfect size, and I love that it's slim enough for travel. And this specific series from Hydro Flask is made, I think, 20 or 30% lighter than the regular Hydro Flask bottles. Now, I always recommend an insulated bottle because it will keep your drinks cold or hot, and that's what I love about insulated bottles. However, they are usually quite weighty, so that's why I love that they make these series. I think this is a hiking edition, so that if you're out hiking and you want to have a lighter weight bottle, you bring this. But because of that reason, it also makes for a great travel water bottle. And those are all my travel essentials. Comment down below which one was your favorite and what is your travel essential that you always have to bring with you every single trip. And also a big thank you to Bagsmart for collaborating with me on today's video. Don't forget to use my code if you're interested in any of their products. I really hope this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching. I wish you a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!